Sources of energy. Things from which we get energy are called sources of energy. Solar energy. The sun is the biggest source of energy. Most of the living things get energy from the sun, either directly or indirectly. The energy that we get from the sun is called solar energy. Green plants trap the sun's energies and make the food. Animals and human beings consume plants to get that energy. Solar energy is also used to operate devices such as solar cookers and solar heaters. Electricity is also generated by solar panels using solar energy. Atomic energy. Matter is made up of atoms. Atoms make up everything in the universe and are held together with great force. These atoms can be broken apart in a process called fission, FISSION, and the energy released can be used to generate electricity. Weapons like atom bombs that are made for national safety are also manufactured using atomic energy. Geothermal energy. Geothermal energy. The heat from the inner parts of the earth is an important source of energy and is known as geothermal energy. Chemical energy. Energy obtained by chemicals acting on one another is called chemical energy. A battery or cell has chemical energy stored in it. Wind and water energy. Energy from wind and flowing water can be used to generate electricity. Page number 179. See children, energy can change from one form to another. We experience different forms of energy in our daily life, and energy can change from one form to another. A music player changes electrical energy into sound energy. Our body changes chemical energy from food into mechanical energy. A windmill changes wind energy into electrical energy. Checkpoint 2. See children, state true or false. Simple machines are the devices that make work easier. True. Wind is the biggest source of energy. False. Sun is the biggest source of energy. The heat produced by the inner parts of the earth is called hydro energy. False. Geothermal energy. Next, a musical player can change electrical energy into sound energy. True. A pulley is a flat surface that is higher on one end. False. Inclined plane. A windmill changes wind energy into electrical energy. True. Next, turn the page 179, note 180. Tick the correct answers. Force can move a stationary object, stop a moving object, change the direction of moving object. All of the above. All of the above. Next, the force which acts in an opposite direction and slows or stops a moving object is frictional force. Option A. Work is said to be done when, see, option A, boy tries to move a wall. Boy kicks a football. Boy sleeps. Boy thinks. So option B is correct answer. Boy kicks a football. Work is said to be done. The source of all energy is option A water, B sun, heat, option D wind. Source of all energy is sun. Next bit, lever is a simple machine, B force, C work, D energy. Lever is a simple machine. Next, identify and circle the forces in the following picture. So this one, take it as a homework children and submit to me. So which type of force are applying here? Observe this and write the force here. Okay. Next, complete the concept map. Circle the forces in the following picture. Next, complete the concept map. Concept map section C. Force types. What are the types of forces, children? First one, right here, muscular force. MUSCULAR. Muscular force. Here you can write examples. Are you seeing here? Pushing a chair, you can write. Pushing a chair. Muscular force. Next, gravitational force. Gravitational force. Here you can write a ball falling onto the ground. Same, a ball falling onto the ground. A ball falling onto the ground. Third force is elastic force. Elastic force. Using catapult. Using catapult. Next, frictional force. Next, frictional force. What you can write frictional force? When you push book on table, it slides across the table. Book sliding on a table, you can write. Book sliding on a table. That's all, children. Finished. So tomorrow we will read the notes. Okay, thank you.